Everyone is talking about AI. Some say it's going to take our jobs, others say it's going to save the world. But if you're watching this, you probably just want to know, how do I actually use it? Welcome to the AI Mastery Full Course. In this video, I am cutting through the hype. I'm going to take you from knowing absolutely nothing about AI to mastering the top tools used by pros today. We are covering text, image generation, and productivity. By the end of this video, you won't just understand AI, you'll be using it to do your work 10x faster. Let's dive in. First, strip away the sci-fi. We aren't building Terminators yet. Most of the AI we use today is called generative AI. Think of it like the autocomplete on your phone, but on steroids. It has read almost everything on the internet, so it can predict exactly what words, or pixels, should come next. It doesn't know facts like a human, it predicts patterns. Understanding that one concept is key to mastering these tools. Let's start with the big one. Large language models. You know ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Claude. Most beginners use these wrong. They treat it like Google search. To get pro results, you need the golden prompt formula. It looks like this: role plus context plus task plus constraints. For example, don't just say, write an email about a meeting. That gives you a generic result. Instead, say, act as a senior project manager. We are behind schedule on the app launch. Write a polite but firm email to the team asking for a status update. Keep it under 100 words and use bullet points. See the difference? The AI needs you to be the pilot. If you give vague instructions, you get vague results. I'm curious, which AI text tool are you using right now? ChatGPT, Gemini, or something else? Let me know in the comments. I want to see what's most popular. Now for the fun part. Creating images from thin air. Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E turn text into pixels. But again, vocabulary matters. If you just type a cat, you get a cat. But try typing a cyberpunk cat, neon lighting, cinematic 4K, rainy street, detailed fur. Suddenly, you have a masterpiece. In this section, I'm going to give you a cheat sheet of style words you can use to make your images look professional immediately. Okay, making art is cool, but how does this save you time? Let's look at a real-world workflow. First, try summarizing. Copy a long article and ask the AI to give me the 5 key takeaways. Next, try coding or Excel. You can ask the AI to write an Excel formula to calculate tax for column C. Or even for learning, ask the AI to explain quantum physics to me like I'm 10 years old. The goal of AI isn't to replace your thinking. It's to handle the boring stuff so you can focus on the creative stuff. If you are manually writing Excel formulas in 2025, you are working too hard. Before we wrap up, a warning. AI hallucinates. That means it sometimes lies with total confidence. Always fact-check your work. AI is a co-pilot, not the captain. You are still responsible for what you create. So, we've covered LLMs, image generation, and workflow automation. You are now officially ahead of 90% of the population who are still scared of these tools. AI updates literally every single week. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss my next update. If you want to see a deep dive specifically on how to make money using these tools, I made a video on that right here. Click that, and I'll see you there.